Jacque Reid, creator of Vegan Sexy Cool, is here with one of her favorite vegan recipes. Jacque, what you got?
Okay, Dr. Ian, this is for you and your wife. For date night, you are going to make this for her.
Okay.
She is going to love this, and you are too. Okay, so it is my linguine with a vegan Alfredo sauce topped with garlic, spinach, and a lemon crust, a lemon kind of hard crusted tofu.
Okay. So how do we start?
Okay, so the sauce is the most important ingredient of all of this. Now, you can use cashews, which will give you the creaminess that something with dairy would, right? So I soaked some cashews in some hot water, and we'll have the full recipe for you. Soak those. I sauteed some shallots and garlic in vegan butter, which cooks just like regular butter. Put that in here. Now I'm going to add lemon juice, vegetable stock, some vegan milk, vegan Parmesan. I use the word vegan a lot, right?
Yeah.
A little bit of pepper, little bit of salt, nutritional yeast, which is really good for you, right? Now with the magic of television, okay, because I don't want to drown myself out with a food processor, I already cooked some, and look at this. Look at how creamy that is.
Ooh.
Creamy and delicious. So that's our sauce, right? So I'm going to warm that up a little bit more over there. Then the tofu, right? The thing about tofu, Dr. Ian, is you want to squeeze out the water. So put it in between two pieces of paper towels and squeeze all that water out because it'll cook funny if you don't.
Okay.
Then you just want to chop it up into cubes. Real easy. And then breadcrumbs, right? I'm going to do it right here. You can do it in the pan as well. Lemon zest, one of my favorite things. That's going to give it that lemony taste. Fresh parsley, all chopped up nice and fine. And one of my favorite things, garlic powder. All right, so magic of television, right? So we're going to do that, and you're going to put it in a skillet of olive oil, and I did that. That's how it's going to look when it comes out. Nice and brown and toasty. And let me give you a pro tip. As you're cooking it, take some tongs and flip it over so it browns on all the sides. But you see those extra breadcrumbs in there? When I tell you, when you put that on top of the dish, it's going to blow your mind.
Man, I like that.
So olive oil, right? I'm going to try. Now, you know I'm in a show kitchen, so I'm going to try to make this spinach here for you. So, of course, fresh garlic. This is easy. I know you know how to do this, Dr. Ian.
I got this part. I do this quite often.
You got this part. So let me let this warm up really quick, and we're just going to put 2 or 3 cups of fresh spinach in there. So you saute that up. But I tell you, this is one of my favorite recipes because the sauce that I made, that you saw me make, you can also use that as a salad dressing. Put a little vinegar in it and olive oil and put a little bit of the sauce in there, mix it up, you got a salad dressing. If you want to use it as a sandwich spread, that same sauce can be used as a sandwich spread. You can't do that with regular Alfredo sauce?
No, not at all. And so you think, so Jacque, so you make your sauce, you have your tofu, you have your greens, and you just combine it? Like, how do you put it all together?
Yeah, let me show you. I'm gonna do it for you right now. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the pasta.
Okay.
Right? Look at that. And this is bonza pasta, which also it's made from chickpeas.
Okay.
So it's really good for you. So use your favorite pasta, right? Take a little bit of this sauce. Put that sauce in there. Put the sauce in.
Mix it up. Now, I like sauce, so you gotta make sure there's enough in there for me.
Let me tell you, that's the thing, you can make it to order as much as you want.
Okay.
Let me get my spinach, put that on there, right? So you got the spinach on there, and then you just top it off with the tofu.
Wow.
Top it off with the tofu and sprinkle a little of those breadcrumbs on there, because I like breadcrumbs. And there you go. There's your date night meal. And it's so delicious, it will blow your mind. This is so good.
All right, Jacque, when I cook that, I'm going to take a picture, I'm going to post on Instagram and send you one, okay? To prove that I can do it.
Yes, you have to make this.